Video of the Integra rebuild. Complete rebuild. Front bumper to back bumper, interior, exterior, engine, fluids, driver, glass.
I already got the interior almost all back in.
This is my brother Marcy. You guys haven't met him yet.
Converted it from tan to black and gray. It was kind of hell, but it's coming. It's almost interior almost finished, but it was complete stripped down, bare metal, everything.
And the dash was sprayed.
Yeah.
Look how nice this dash looks. Even though it's sprayed. On you, bitch.
The only thing I didn't pull out was the dash and the headlight. And I had to spray those because
fucking perfect.
I couldn't find them.
She has the indigo gauges. But that dash came out really nice. Looks like factory.
Yep. Door jambs are all white. The whole car's gonna be white.
Door jams are done. We gotta do the sunroof jam.
Yeah.
The hatch jam is already done.
I'll do that some other time.
Yeah, so just figured I'd give y'all a peek at how the Integra is doing. Here is the Old Faithful. Been through many revolutions, many potholes, many ramps, and many double clutches, power shifts, burnouts, all that shit.
This carpet is out of a Civic. It did fit almost perfect. There's just a couple places where it didn't. Like in the back seat and over the mounds on where the seat posts go. But other than that, I mean, if you're looking for a quick, carpet change, if you absolutely need one right away or whatever, one out of a Civic will fit.
Yeah, because Civics are a lot more common.
Exactly.
Yeah, so depending on whether we can find a whole GSR or not, it might just go LSV Tech and do the pistons and rods and stuff. But this is the B1. DC Sports headers came off of my EF hatch. And haven't done much, just I took the radiator out, took the power steering pump out, took off the mounts, the smaller ones. And my brother wants to get a cherry picker, but I think we're just going to end up dropping it on the ground, raising the car and dragging it out. But another thing for some of you Integra guys, I didn't know, I just figured this out, that seats are different for Integra. It's not all rear seats are the same.
Yeah, bullshit, but it is true.
The little post down here, it's supposed to
hook in right there.
It's supposed to hook in right here, but the post on this seat was way over here, where this hole is.
And actually, this carpet might have been out of a different Integra. I'm thinking a Civic. The only reason is because these are real thick. And I know on my Civic, they were real thick right here. That's the only reason I'm saying Civic. I wasn't there when this carpet got pulled. It might have been out of a 94 to 97 Integra. Just because where these posts were on this seat, because these seats are out of a 94 GSR, that hole lined up with them. That's the only reason I'm saying they might have been out of an older Integra. But I don't know. It wasn't there.
Yeah, I think the Civic carpets are different, like in the back and stuff. I'm not sure, but anyway, that's what's going on so far. Keep y'all posted with the progress. Y'all have a wonderful day. Thank you.